What's up guys, welcome back to the next video in learning Java. My name is Dani and you guys watching my channel Coriowood. Alright, so in this video we're going to see how we're going to modify our counter. Say for example this for loop, and say if the for loop is from 1 to 20, and here we're going to put a I, we're going to put an I, and we're going to plus, you guys leave it empty here. So now we're going to see how we're going to say, for example, if our counter going to count till 20 steps of 1, how we're going to skip the counter. Say for example our counter going to count in steps of for example 2. So instead of 1 we're going to see 3, then we're going to see 5, then we're going to see 7. We can do that with the for loop. You guys can do a lot of things with the for loop. Say for example here where it says I plus plus, because I plus plus going to increment by 1, and you guys need to remove this and just put I plus 2. So now I, because I is here and I is going to come and say for example we're going to start from 1, and I is going to for example it's going to skip by 2. So if you, for example, if you start from 2, then it's going to be like even, and it's going to go all the way to 20. So now if we run, and we're going to see, so now we're incrementing the counter by 2 each time, the steps of 2. So if you want to say move up the counter in the steps of 2, that's what the formula is, as I equal to I plus 2, and you're going to see that's how that's the results you guys going to achieve. Doesn't matter what you guys going to put it. So if you put a 3, then you guys going to be on in odd, for example, counting. But because we're going to start from 2, then it's going to count say 2 for then 20. So how about if you're gonna, if you modify it again and want our counter to count in reverse order, to because now here we have put our counter in a forward direction. Say here in forward direction, because we started from here, to for example come back in reverse, you guys need to do reverse this one. Say for example, how do we do that? For example, we're going to come and say instead of this 20, we're going to start from the 20 to count down, and where it says I is less than, you guys do quite going to do the opposite. So here you guys gonna put this one is greater than. That's what I said, because you guys go do the opposite. So from here you guys move it to here. So now here you guys need to put a 1, for example, if you want to count it till 1 from 1. And the last bit is just I, instead of say when we move forward we do plus plus, and now you guys do minus minus. So here now you guys, we're going to remove this one, and we're going to see, we're going to run, and we're going to see that we are going to count reverse. So from here, if you look in here, we have effectively modified our counter, our for loop, to count it backward. You can do instead of steps of 2 to jump from 2 all the way there, or you can count it backwards. You can count it backwards this way. So that's how it's all the bits and tricks in Java. Alright guys, that's it for this video. In the next video we're going to see what is a nested for loop. I'm going to show you guys, just like we've seen nested if else, we have seen nested if else, but just let you guys know that loop statements also have a nested for loop. You can do amazing things with nested for loop. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you guys have any question or comment, leave it in the comment box. Otherwise I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.